Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. This is the last harvest of the year. I took Mason for a walk yesterday and noticed some of my medlars were already starting to fall off the tree. So they're ready to be picked. So I went and picked the majority of them. Now, some of you may not have seen medlars before. They're a funny looking fruit, really are, but they're very hard and they're not edible at this stage. You have to let them blet, which is basically let them rot a bit till they go soft. Some of them are starting to go soft. You can possibly see it's softening there. So over the next few weeks I'm going to keep checking them over, see which ones have gone soft, which ones have been bletted, and then use them up. But I've had less than this amount of my tree before. Oh, here's another one that's starting to go. Yeah, I've had this amount or slightly less of my tree before, but this year it's a lot older and it's gone nuts, and so I've got a lot of medlars to go through. So I'll see what I can find that I can do with them. There will be no Fabric Friday today, I think, because the workmen are out. They're around the front of the house, beeping noises and all the rest, and every time I start anything it's noisy, it's bad. And my sewing area is in the front bedroom, so it picks up all the noise. Here in the kitchen it's not that bad, so I am spending time in the kitchen. If I am upstairs in the sewing room, my music is on, and to drown out the noise, and obviously I can't have that going when I'm recording something. So like now I've spotted a chance where I think they're having the tea break, and so I've recorded this bit. If I get a chance to, I'll record something later for Fabric Friday. Okay, thank you, bye.
It's a perfect situation. It's where the bad news bears for me a bag of 10